Today we're going to talk about Mipa glass process. We have a line of products that allows you to paint all types of glass. Starting with the 1K glass promoter. This can be used as a degreaser, wipe on, wipe off. This starts to activate with the surface, and then with application with a spray gun, you put one fine coat over the glass, allowed to flash off for 10 to 15 minutes so this reacts with the surface, and now this is ready for a top coat. We have developed a new glass hardener. This is PU 950/25. This is normal speed, and this will go in a range of top coats. From the automotive you can use OC or PU/RHS, and from the industrial range you can use PU 200, PU 230 or PU 240. Please refer to the technical data sheet for the mixing ratios, but this hardener will go in all of them products. So you can then overcoat the glass after you flash off, put a second coat on, and that's it. Application complete, allowed to flash off for a further 10 to 15 minutes, and then carry on with your normal bake cycle. As I mentioned before, please have a look at the TDSs for the mixing ratios, but if you've got any other questions, please follow the link below. Thank you for watching.